Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 10 Refresher Course Module, Unit 2, Discussion of Answers, Degrees of Comparison. Dear children, today we are going to discuss the answers for degrees of comparison. At length, we will discuss this unit later. So, degrees of comparison, in short, we can tell degrees of comparison means 3 degrees. One is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree of an adjective states the characteristics of a noun. அதாவது பாசிட்டிவ் டிகிரினாக்கா பாசிட்டிவாக ஒரு நவுனை சிங்கிளாக சொல்கிறது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், சுரேஷ் இஸ் அ கிளவர் பாய், யூ ஆர் அ குட் பாய், அந்த மாதிரி. Comparative degree means we are comparing two things. The comparative degree is used when two things or two sets of things are compared. For example, Vinod is younger than Vijay. Okay? So comparing means two members are there. And superlative degree means the superlative degree is used when more than two things are compared. So more than two things are compared means they are called as superlative degree. For example, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Alright, so and you have plenty of examples. Okay, big, bigger, biggest, good, better, best, happy, happier, happiest, useful, more useful, most useful, young, younger, youngest, short, shorter, shortest. Okay, like that. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest, hot, hotter, hottest, like that. And everything will not be there. Some exemptions are also there. For beautiful and all, it will come like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, like that. Okay, fine. So that's what I told you. We will discuss at length later. Fine. Then how we can transform the sentence from one degree to another degree means, the type 1 you can tell comparing two things, positive to comparative and comparative to positive are possible in this type. இது எப்படி வந்து பாசிட்டிவும் கம்பேரிட்டிவும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், as வருது, அதர்வைஸ் நாட் as. ஓகே, அண்ட் நாட் ப்ளஸ் கம்பேரிட்டிவ் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் அட்ஜெக்டிவ் தேன். எப்பயுமே கம்பேரிட்டிவ் வரும்போது THN தேன் வரணும். அண்ட் the word will have ER also. Okay, big, bigger, like that. For example, Arun is as tall as Ravi. இது positive degree. Ravi is not taller than Arun. அப்போ இங்கே கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது we are using taller than. Second one, a donkey is not so strong as a horse. A donkey is stronger than a donkey. Okay, so taller than, that is comparative degree. Second type you can tell no other. So comparative degree means when we compare and usage of adjective and than any other. Okay, superlative when we use the plus superlative form of adjective. For example, no other leader is so great as Gandhi. இது positive degree. அதாவது இவங்களை பற்றி பேசுகிறோம். Second one is Gandhi is greater than any other leader. And in superlative degree, Gandhi is the greatest leader, is the greatest. அவங்க தான் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்று சொல்கிறது. Okay, okay children. In the third type you can tell very few, then as, adjective as. Okay, very few வந்தாக்கா as. In comparative degree of adjective plus than, many other, or most other. In superlative degree, one of the plus superlative form of adjective. For example, very few trees are as big as Banyan. This is positive degree. Banyan is bigger than many other trees. That is comparative degree. Banyan is one of the biggest trees. That is superlative degree. Fine, children? Okay, now moving on to assessment, children. Fill in the blanks with other degrees of adjectives. Positive, comparative, superlative. Farther is there. So positive is far, farther, farthest. And much or many, both can be in the positive degree. Much, more, most. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Important, more important, most important. Okay, second Roman number, fill in the blanks with correct form of degrees. New York is one of the dash towns in the world. New York is one of the largest towns in the world. Second one, a dictionary is heavier than a pocket book. ஏன் heavier போடுறோம்? இது than இருக்குது. So than வந்ததுனாக்கா you have to use only comparative degree. Okay, third one, in summer the nights are dash than the days. So you can see the word than. So than is there. So shorter, shortest, shorter than the days. Fourth one, email is the dash means of communication. Email is the fastest means of communication. Because the is there, we are using the superlative degree. Fifth one, Sarah is the dash girl in our class. The bracket word is smart. So before that you have the word the. So the smartest girl in the class. Third Roman number, children, compare the two objects and write it in this sentence. Dash. Fruits, sweets, healthy. Okay, so இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Fruits are healthier than sweets. So you are comparing fruits and sweets. Next one, March and June are there, and you have the bracket word cold. March is colder than June. Third one, English and German is there, and difficult you should use. You have to compare it. English is not more difficult than German. Next one, city and town are there. Bracket word you have big. City is bigger than town. Fifth one, mango and apple are there, and the bracket word is sweet. Mango is sweeter than apple. Okay. Fourth Roman number, children, compose positive, comparative and superlative sentences using the clues in the picture. Okay. For example, you have the picture over here, Ajay, Saran and Arun. Ajay is young, Saran is younger, Arun is youngest. So Ajay is a young boy. Ajay வந்து ஒரு young boy. Compare பண்ணுறோம்னாக்கா Saran is younger than Ajay. Arun is the youngest of all. Okay. Okay. Fifth Roman number, children, change the sentence into the other degrees. So different degree மாத்திக்கணும். Okay. First one, hurricanes are as dangerous as tornadoes. So we have to change it into comparative degree. Hurricaneயும் tornadoவையும் compare பண்ணுறோம். So tornadoes are not more dangerous than hurricanes. Okay. Second one, very few Indian languages are as ancient as Tamil, and we have to change it into superlative degree. So Tamil is one of the most ancient Indian languages. Third one, Asia is the largest continent. So you have to change it into positive degree. No other continent is as large as Asia. Fourth one, Akbar was greater than many other rulers of India. So we have to change it into superlative degree. Akbar was one of the greatest rulers of India. Fifth one, gold is costlier than silver. We have to change it into positive degree. Silver is not so costly as gold. Okay, children. So we can deal these things in length later. Now we can just complete it. Okay. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation, guided reading, book back exercise and other worksheets. Thank you.